My name is Sandra Lett, and I did this painting here called Restoration. And it's about peace, love, and unity. I just wanted to share my heart. I saw a challenge on TikTok, and they requested doing a hashtag Gen Z Jesus. And I'm not from the Generation Z, but I wanted to show my support and to take a stand for what I believe is right and true and what's pleasing to God. And that is for us to reconcile and restore our relationships across the races, love everybody, spread love and peace and light and joy. And it breaks my heart, the things that have been going on with the different races and against policemen. And, you know, there's bad people in every walk of life. And it's time to stop putting people in a mold. And because one person does it, it makes the whole group bad. That's just not true. So I wanted to make a stand and paint something today in response to this challenge to show that my heart is hoping and praying that this nation reaches some restoration and some reconciliation with each other and makes peace and just love one another, no matter what your skin color, no matter what your beliefs are. Just to totally accept each other and love each other and spread good vibes. So I dedicate this piece to this movement and just pray for restoration. Thank you so much for watching.